Hello, sports fans! At school, we were given an egg to teach us how to look after someone more fragile than us. Hey! It's a bit stressful, but today at the skate park, it's cool. We're roller skating with Simon.
Hello.
This is Paquito, my little fragile egg. Cute, huh? Because in fact, roller skating is awesome. You must hurt yourself when you fall.
No, because we're well equipped. We have protection with cushioning on the inside and...
Like Paquito! Ah! Paquito, where are you?
Is this what you're looking for, Theo? You shouldn't leave an egg lying around here. OK, let's talk skating.
OK, tell us about the muscles you use.
Roller skating uses the bottom half of the body as well as the abs and the lower back. And what's good is that you can be creative.
You'll be safe in this box. Ah!
There are lots of different elements on which we can do our figures. Ramps for launching, rollers to gain speed, and pipes for jumping.
Woo! Hello? Do you sell helmets? No, not for me, for my egg. Hello? Hello? They hung up.
In 1760, an ice skater invented the first roller skate, so it was possible to continue skating once the ice had melted. 2 metal rolls on a small wooden plank. Today, we use quad skates or inline skates. Your turn, Theo.
Ah! Roller skating is awesome! It's important to eat proteins to keep fit. You can eat a good omelette from time to time. Oh no! Paquito! And all your family! It's not me, I promise.